Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to pin comments on TikTok. Now, just as a disclaimer, this version should be updated to the latest version of TikTok. Just to do that one, go to App Store and look for TikTok right there. As you can see, mine has been fully updated. It now says open rather than saying update. Alright? So once you open this one, let me just open my TikTok platform for this one. That one right there. So let's look for a random comment. Again, another disclaimer that this feature, I think it was updated a few months ago. Not quite sure if it's still here, but let me just try this one. Let me just post the video. Look for a funny comment here. Well, this one right there. Just hold the comment and you'll see right there, there should be a pin option right here. Now, if you cannot see it, that means that TikTok has removed it on your country. So how can we retrieve that one? Go to your profile, the three lines on the top section, look for the one that says settings, and then look for the one that says help. Report a problem right there, and basically for this one, tell them what's going on. You want your pin comment feature back. Just tell them that one and you'll be good to go. Look for the one that says comments here, and basically tell them what's happening. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.